Good afternoon, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to my kitchen, where it's so easy. It's crazy, brother. Let's go. We about to prep these chicken wings so we can make some buffalo wings, bro. Take off this wing tip because we don't need that in our mix. What we gonna do with this wing tip later on? We're just gonna use that on the stock base for the, some soups that we're gonna be making, or some, bases that we gonna need some soup stock with. Here, and break that wing tip over. Boom. You're gonna see a slight edge down there. Just take that all out. This wing tip right here, put it in a plastic bag. We're gonna put that in the freezer later on, so it's gonna get frozen. And here's the other wing. We're gonna break that out. Boom. There you go. Cut here, and as you can see, the bone's already popping out. So along the bone on the side, and you're gonna get that easy part of the wing. And here's the other part of the wing, which we're gonna be using too for the buffalo wing. Boom, put it out there. Boom. Gonna put some salt in the chicken mix. Next, we're gonna put some white pepper, some black pepper on the chicken. There you go. We're gonna be adding in our garlic powder, brothers and sisters. There you go. 5 spice powder, brother. Just a little bit, just to get that pizzazz to that chicken wing. About to add in our cornstarch mix into this mix. Ladies and gentlemen, cornstarch. Add in our all-purpose flour, brothers and sisters. There we go. That chicken wing that we dyed. Jollibee, bida ang saya. Ow! I would just like to thank everybody that donated for our cause the other day, because there's a lot of people out here that doesn't have that much, and thank you very much for helping. God bless you all and appreciate it. Thank you very much. So gagawa tayo ng dip para dun sa chicken wings na gagawin natin ngayon. We're gonna be using this all-purpose cream for the night. Dahan-dahan. Calamansi juice. There you go. Close it down for a little bit. Open it up. So a little bit of pepper. There you go. And some salt. In. So we about to make our buffalo sauce, brothers and sisters. Block this butter. Boom. This is salt, paprika. This is some chili powder. This is some garlic powder. This is some fresh ground black pepper. And this is some sugar, brothers and sisters. We're just gonna put it in out here. Boom. This is some hot sauce that I'm gonna be using right now. Boom, look at that hot sauce, bro. Hot sauce in the mix. Cornstarch slurry, so we're gonna get the thick sauce, bro. Yeah. Boom. We're gonna be adding this Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit. Just a splash of this vinegar. Just a little bit of that vinegar. A bit of that vinegar, so we can get that tangy taste. We're gonna put this buffalo sauce away and put it on the chicken later on, boy. There. We're gonna be using this kind of butter right here, or garlic out here, that we're gonna be using for this sauce mix, brothers and sisters. There you go. Okay. So we got here some calamansi juice and some Sprite. There you go. Maya, pag nag-reduce na yan, boom, that's about it, brothers and sisters. You're gonna see what I'm talking about later on. I got here this garlic sauce, reducing into a good ass thick sauce out here, brothers and sisters. Look at how thick that sauce is. Butter, garlic, some lime juice, and that's about it. We about to fry up this chicken, buddy. Chicken wing be done already. Take that off the heat. Let it dry up. You don't want no excess oil in that mix. Look at all those chicken wings, man. We about to dump this chicken in this bowl right quick. In the buffalo sauce out there that we made. Look at that chicken wing, bro. It's gonna be, boom, look at that. Check that out, bro. Let's be back. Bam. Put everything in there, bro. That flavor, and then I fold that around like this. That's for the chicken. I got here a small piece. Put it here in our white sauce, ladies and gentlemen. Small bit. This is the butter garlic sauce that we made. Taste this out. So good.